I sat by the window, holding an old letter. It was from my father, who had passed away 2 years ago. My fingers traced his familiar handwriting. Tears filled my eyes as I read his words. My dear Ria, always chase your dreams. Never let fear stop you. I am proud of you. I remembered how he cheered for me at every school event. He hugged me after my failures and said, "You're my brave girl." Today was my first big speech competition. I held the letter tightly, took a deep breath, and stepped onto the stage. My voice trembled at first. Then, I felt him, his warmth, his belief in me. I spoke with confidence. When the applause erupted, I looked up, smiling through my tears. I knew he was watching. That night, I whispered, "I did it, Papa." A soft breeze touched my face. It felt like his reply, "I knew you would."